let's answer this 10 items CSE numerical reasoning quiz. As usual, if you haven't answered them yet, so post every item para sagutan nyo muna before you will see our solutions. Number 1, age problem. So, bago natin ito sagutan, ano namang age problem, so i-skip ko to. I don't need to know about how to solve age problem. Pero, consider this as word problem. Yung tipong how to convert this word problem into an equation para ma-solve mo siya, kung paano mo siya ma-solve bali. So, let's solve this. Mylene is 4 years older than Sheila. In 2 years, the sum of their ages will be 84. How old are they now? Huwag mo isiping age problem siya kung sakaling you don't need to know, you don't want to know about age problem, kung paano to siya i-solve. Ang atin ngayon is, paano siya gawing equation? Mylene is 4 years older than Sheila. So, ito si Mylene, ito si Sheila. Let S be the edad of Sheila. Si Mylene is 4 years older than Sheila. So, age ni Sheila plus 4 years. Ito yung now natin. Ngayon, doon tayo sa in 2 years, bali plus 2. In 2 years. So, si S plus 4 plus 2 at saka si S plus 2, the sum of their ages will be 84. Kung i-add mo ito, 84 daw ang total. How old are they now? Ngayon, ito na yung equation natin. S plus 4 plus 2 plus S plus 2 equals 84. So, ganito na siya. S plus, that is 6, plus S plus 2 equals 84. Like signs, 2S plus 8 equals 84. And then, 2S, tapos 84, minus 8, kasi nag-transpose tayo. Kung mag-transpose tayo, mag-minus 8 tayo dito, minus 8, so cancel na si 8 dyan. Nandito na si 8. 84 minus 8, 76. So, 2S, 76. Para makancel naman si 2 dito at S na lang matira, mag-divide tayo ng 2. So, S na lang. 76 divided by 2, 38. So, 38, ang equivalent ni S ay 38. 38 plus 4 is 42. So, ang edad ni, how old are they now? Ang edad ni Sheila is 38. Si Mylene ay 42. The answer is letter D. Number 2, age problem. Consider this as word problem, kung paano i-convert ang itong word problem into an equation. Okay. A man is 25 years old and his father is 85 years old. So, let M be si man at si father. 85 daw si father. Si man daw ay, yung anak niya ay, yung lalaki ay 25 years old. In how many years will the man be 3 times as old as his father? Bale, si 3M equals yung edad ni father. Ang gagawin natin ay, itong si man is 25 plus N. Let N be that how many years? Let N be that years plus N. I-multiply natin ng 3 kasi sabi niya 3 times daw as old as his father. Ang edad naman ni father ay 85 plus yung years. So, pareho na silang may N. Let N be that years na maging 3 times old as old as his father na si man. Ito na yung nabuo nating equation. Galing sa word problem na ito or age problem, ito na yung equation natin na isolve. Uulitin ko lang para mas klaro. A man is 25 years old, okay? And his father is 85 years old. In how many years will the man be 3 times as old as his father? In how many years? That how many years, itong how many years, let n be that years. So 25 n, i-multiply mo ng 3 kasi 3 times man siya. Ito yung equivalent ni 3m. Yan. Tapos, yung father naman is 85 plus n years. So, ito naman siya ang equivalent dyan. Si father. This is 75 plus 3n. Then, just bring down 85 plus n. Ipagsama ang mga like terms. So, 3n minus n. Bakit naging minus? Kasi nag-transpose tayo. I-mag-minus ka ng n to both sides para makancel si n dito, nandito na siya sa kabila. Kaya, minus n equals 85 minus 75 kasi nag-minus tayo ng 75 to both sides para makancel si 75 dito. So, 85 minus 75, and that is 10. 3n minus n equals 2n. So, mag-transpose ulit tayo para ma-isolate si n dito. Kung mag-transpose tayo, para makancel si 2 dito, mag-divide tayo ng 2. We will do to both sides. So, n na lang matira dyan. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5. The answer is 5 years. So, 5 ang answer dito. Letter B. Number 3. Let's do PEMDAS. I-review muna natin ang rule ng PEMDAS. Ang kadalasang mali sa mga ibang sumasagot nito ay pagkatapos ng parenthesis tapos exponent, yung multiplication muna ang unahin nila bago yung division, which is wrong. Una, yung groupings or parentheses. Next is exponent or yung mga indigest. Wala dito sa given. Next is multiplication or division. Kung alin ang mauna sa given. Kung nauna ang division, i-divide muna natin. Kung nauna ang multiplication, so i-multiply muna natin. Next is addition or subtraction. They rank equally. So kung alin ang mauna. Kung nauna ang subtraction, unahin natin. Kung nauna ang addition, yun din ang unahin natin. So, sa given na ito, walang parenthesis, walang exponent. Ngayon, ang nandito ay yung multiplication or division. So, alin ba ang nauna? Division ang nauna. So, unahin natin yan. 18 divided by 3, and that is 6. 6 times 6, that is 36. Ngayon, ang next is 25 minus 4 plus 36. Ang next sa rule, number 4, addition or subtraction kung alin ang nauna. Nauna ang subtraction, so unahin natin yan. 25 minus 4, that is 21. So 21 plus 36, and that is 57. So the answer is letter A. I-double check natin sa calculator. 25 minus 4 plus 18 divided by 3 times 6. So, ang sagot ay 57. So, our answer is correct. Number 4, word problem. Nini and Nina are asked to clean a house. Nina can clean the house by herself in 6 hours, and Nina can clean the house by herself in 8 hours. How long would it take to clean the house if they work together? Kapag ganito ang problem, ito yung work ng isang tao. Tapos, i-add mo sa work ng pangalawang tao equals 1. Kasi, they work together sa isang trabaho. Ngayon, i-change natin ito as 6, si kay Nini. Ito naman, i-change natin sa So, ito na yung equation niya. I-multiply mo siya lahat ng 48. Kasi, para magkaroon ka ng whole numbers. 48. Paano ko nakuha yung 48? 6 times 8, and that is 48. And this will become 8n plus 6n equals 48. Kasi 48 divided by 6, that is n. 48 divided by 8, and that is 6n. And then 48 times 1, that is 48. So, i-add mo siya, 14n equals 48. Para ma-isolate si n dito, mag-divide ka ng 14 to both sides. So, 14 divided by 48. And that is 3 and 3 over 7. Paano? 48 divided by 14. This is 3. So, 12 carry 1, that is 42. And this is 6. 6 over 14. So, i-list mo siya, divide mo siya ng 2. Ang greatest common factor niya. So, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 14 divided by 2, and that is 7. So, the answer is 3 and 3 over 7. Another way is, since dalawa lang naman ang person involved, we will use the MAD. M for multiplication, 6 times 8 equals 48. A for addition, 6 plus 8 equals 14. D for division, 48 divided by 14 is equals to 3 and 3 over 7. So the answer is letter B. Number 5, percentage. What is 1/2% of 200? Maraming nalilito sa 1/2% versus sa 50%. Take note, pareho silang percent. So, ang 1/2%, 1% hanggang ma-50%. So, ibig sabihin, hindi sila magkapareho. Unless kung walang percent yan, 1/2 lang yan, pareho yan sa 50%. Again, lahat ng mga may percent sign, kung gusto nating i-cancel yung percentage sign, i-divide lang natin siya ng 100%. So, that is 0.5. Ang 50% is equivalent to 0.5 or 1/2. Walang percent sign. Ang 1/2%, i-divide mo lang ng 100%, and that is 1 over 200 or 0.005. So, 1/2% is equivalent to 0.005. Unlike ang 50% is equivalent to 0.5. Now, let's solve this. Remember this. Kapag ganito ang question, is equals yan. Kapag of, multiplication yan. So, what is, let n be our number, what is 1/2% of 200? 1/2% is equivalent to 0.005 then times 200. So, i-multiply mo 0.005 times 200. Paano ka mag-multiply? This is 5 times 2. You have 10. Now, ilagay mo lang dalawang 0 dyan. Ignore mo muna yung decimal mo. Ngayon, go back sa decimal. 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3. The answer is 1. Letter B. Another way sa pag-multiply nito, para lang to sa nalilito, ha? Kasi may nalilito sa pag-multiply kapag may mga decimal na. 1, 2, 3. Habang dito naman sa kabila ay decimal dito, 1, 2, 3. So, 0.2. And this is, bali, ignore mo muna ang decimal, 10. Tapos, isang point, ilagay mo dyan. So, the answer is 1. Another pa, isa pang multiplication. 5 point, yan. Ito lang i-multiply mo and that is 10, tapos bring down mo yung 0 na yan. Then, i-count mo yung mga decimal 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3. The answer is 1. Number 6, percentage. What percent of 100 is 200? Lagi nating tandaan ito. Kapag of multiplication yan, is equal yan. Tapos, let n be that number. Tapos, ang hinahanap ay percentage. So, yung n natin, i-multiply natin ng 100% para makuha natin yung answer. What percent, so n of multiply 100 is equal 200. So, ito na yung equation. N times 100 equals 200. Para ma-isolate si n dyan, mag-divide tayo ng 100 to both sides. So, si n na lang. Cancel na itong 100 ito. So, n equals 200 divided by 100 and that is 2. Para makuha ang sagot dito na percentage, 2 times 100% equals 200%. So, the answer is letter C. Number 7, exponent. What is the value of n? Remember, may lumabas na ganito sa civil service exam. Ang tanong, yung value lang ng n. Multiplication tayo. So, pareho ang base. Bali, i-add natin yung exponent. 2 plus 2, and that is 4. So, ang answer dito ay letter A. Again, para mas lalong maintindihan. What is the value of n? Yung n lang ang hinahanap, exponent lang. Kapag multiplication, pareho ang base, yung mga exponent niya, yun ang i-add natin. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Exponent lang tayo. That's why ang answer dito ay letter A, 4. Number 8, ratio and proportion. Two numbers are respectively 40% and 60% more than a third number. The ratio of the two numbers is what? Now, 40% more, meaning 100%. Pag sinabing 40% more, sa third number, bali 100% ng number na yon plus 40%. Kasi yun yung buong number. Ang isang buong number, that means 100%. Ang isa, ito yung first number. Ang second number is 60% more, and that is 160% more sa isa. Ang third number, siya yung gawin nating 100%. Siya yung kabuuhan ng number. So, gawin nating itong mga percentage man to. Dito na sila, 140%, 160%, at saka 100%. Gawin nating, i-divide natin ng 10. So, maging 14 na siya, ito maging 16, at ito maging 10. I-list pa natin siya. Ano ba ang greatest common factor nito? 2. So this is 7. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Let's go back to the question. Two numbers are respectively 40% and 60% more than the third number. The question here is the ratio of the two numbers. These two numbers. So, ang ratio nito, ito yung two numbers. So, ito na yung sagot. 7 is to 8. Letter B. Ulitin ko lang para mas lalo nyo maintindihan. Ito yung given. Two numbers are respectively 40% and 60% more than the third number. Pag sinabing more than the third number, yung third number natin, gawin natin 100%. 40% more, that is 140%. 60% more, and that is 160%. Ngayon, the ratio of the two numbers, ito yung two numbers. Yan yung umpisa natin two numbers, si 40 at saka si 60. Now, ang tanong kung ano ang ratio ng two numbers na yan. So, ito na yung tatlong numbers na, included na yung third, 140, 160, at saka si 100. Ang greatest common factor nito ay 20. Pero kung sakaling hindi nyo ma-identify agad na ang greatest common factor nito ay 20 para ma-list mo agad siya, pwede mong i-divide ng 10. Kasi obvious naman na pwedeng ma-divide ang tatlo ng 10. So, ito naging 14, 16, at saka 10. Dito, ma-identify na natin kung ano ang greatest common factor, which is 2. So, i-divide mo lang sila lahat ng 2. 14 divided by 2, 7. 16 divided by 2, 8. 10 divided by 2, 5. Ang hinahanap lang, ang tanong lang ay yung first and second number. 7 is 2, 8. So, letter B ang answer. Number 9, mixture tayo. A solution is made of water and pure lemon. If 73% of the solution is water, how many liters of pure lemon are in 20 liters of this solution? So, 100% yung buong solution. Minus 73%, and that is 27%. So, itong 73, ito si water. Ito namang 27, ito si pure lemon. Ang tanong, how many liters of pure lemon in 20 liters of this solution? So, ang gagawin mo lang ay 27% of 20 ay pure lemon. So, 27, that is 0.7, 27%, of is multiplication, 20. So, 0.27 times 20 is equals to, so 5.4. So, the answer is letter E, none of this. Kasi ang sagot ay 5.4. Number 10, number series. May lumabas din na ganito nung August yata na civil service. So, ang given ay ganito. Anong napapansin nyo? Pareho lang siyang 5. So, ganun din ang gagawin natin. Parehong 5. Multiply sa 1, 3, 5. So, ang next ay 7. Ang una ay 5, 15, 25. Plus 10, naging 15. Plus 10, naging 25. So, plus 10, 35. So, bale, yung pang-last na set ay 35 divided by 7 times 5. Sa order of operation, nauna ang division kaysa multiplication. So, kung alin ang mauna, nauna ang division. So, mag-divide tayo. 35 divided by 7 is 5. So, multiplied by 5 and that is 25. So, ang answer ay letter A. I-double check natin. 35 divided by 7 times 5 equals 25.